Here.
Not to the trees, not to the trees, not to the trees, not to the trees.
Oh,
Oh, she's pointing at me. Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
She almost took me out, man.
You know what?
You almost took me out. Jesus, man.
That's it.
Damn, what was that?
You can't. Like at one point, you're literally pointing right at me. Like you can't.
She almost took me out, dude.
Shut the fuck up.
What are you fucking doing?
Man, I'm not taking your ass to the range.
I would hope not.
Watch out for the sparks. Watch out for the sparks.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to shoot out faster for some reason.
See, that's how a professional does it.
Well, because he's handled firearms and deals with fire.
Cap on.
It's like a found footage movie. It's hilarious. So like over there, it's gonna be like the zombies or something. And it's just like,
I'm supposed to hold it.
Yeah.
That seems like a terrible idea.
That's what it
yeah,
says.
tell it to a guy that held an M80,
What does it say?
blew all his fingers off.
Can you put the light on there?
Oh, sorry.
It says here.
I don't know. I think I would just drop it as soon as you light it.
Yeah, maybe let's try that instead.
Yeah, because the last thing I need is him getting his finger
Yeah, I
blown
don't-
off. He's already missing part of his thumb.
Okay, put it down, put it down, put it down, drop it, Axel.
Oh, it's gonna drop it. Then where's it gonna go?
I don't know.
Oh, I see that one worked properly.
Oh, so the other one was a dud then. Got some tanks. We got this thing. I don't know what it does. Oh, the lighters are here.
Oh, I got one in my hand.
Oh. Getting your last smoke in before we all blow up.
We're going down.
We're going to war. Let me turn the light off.
America.
Don't sing or we'll get copyright claimed. I'm kidding. Oh, Jesus. I was not expecting... you should probably move the car back, dude. Oh, dude, I'm good. What? Smoke. Trying to get a good angle on this thing. Dude, it's so bright you can see through the windows of the Volvo.
Got your ass. You got it splooged on. Because the shit's hanging up your back.
What? Yeah. Oh, dude, I can't get it off me now.
Get off! Get off!
Pull it, no, pull it out. The guy from Terminator 2, the biker dude. Wait, so you popped that thing on me? You didn't tell me? Like the entire time I had crap hanging off me? Gotta zoom in on the smokage.
Oh, you got your slide?
Oh, here, don't hold that near my car.
Yeah.
Jerry, why don't you use your cigarette thing from the car?
Oh, you're right. Here, my car was built in the 70s, so people actually smoked back then. No, it's better, it's better. Oh, where the hell's the damn cigarette thing? All right, hold on. I got it going. Give me a sec.
Jerry, turn the key.
I don't have the key on me. I'm gonna go get it.
Get the goddamn key, Jerry.
Oh, hold on. Here, there's a key. It's a square one.
That's probably why, because the car's not getting fucking power, idiot.
Well, I'm sorry, I didn't think about that. That's what I'm saying. Oh, did it go?
Yes, told you.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, man. I didn't know I needed the key.
Hey, see?
Here, don't. Dude, there's still sploos on me. Get it off. This thing, get it off me.
Oh, ¿qué es eso?
Esta es la, ¿cómo se llama?
Ah, ¿de alguna de las bombas?
Yeah, a little. God damn it!
¿Qué pedo?
She shot another one at me.
¿Para qué te enojes?
Oh wow. Oh wow.
No, I gotta be able to light him on when it pops out.
This car is cool.
Well, yeah, because it was built when men were allowed to be men.
Jerry, I'm gonna shove my foot up her.
I'm joking. Gee, here, don't let it mess up the vinyl.
Jerry, get one.
Oh.
Here, grab it, grab
Jerry,
it.
touch tips, touch tips.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Here was a beat meat circle. How long does this go for?
Till it turns out.
Well, when does it burn out?
Challenge you to a duel.
Yes, the duel. What? Hold on, I can't. I'm holding the camera, man.
Jerry.
Here. You tapper.
Get back, you heathens! No, no! Oh, shit. Still, Mom, mine went the longest.
I'm out.
Dude, mine went the longest. Here, take this.
I think it means that if yours long as one you go.
Yeah.
Here, did you leave my key in? Whatever. Well, here, I want to let this cool down first.
Jerry, come back.
Hold on. Well, because I wanted to let that sit for a bit. I wanted to. I'm going. I'm just saying, you should have two of them have like a tank war. Just like burn each other. Yeah, Axel, why don't you have your hair tied back?
Jerry, got it. Let me do it.
It's too windy, that's the problem.
Make sure you point it that way.
Or here, let me just stand my fat ass in front of the wind. Oh, it's like me when I fart.
You want the big one?
Wait, how many tanks we got left?
I think there's like 2 tanks.
Well, I want to watch them burn each other up. Axel, move.
Ouch. There you go, Jerry.
It's a war. It's a war. We got a war zone down here.
I think this tank won. This one.
Hey, let me see. Let me film it. Oh yeah, no, the other one got his ass whipped.
Stomp on one.
Ah! It's like Godzilla.
No, like give it like a hard stomp for footage.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta admit that.
Finger, I think it's...
Whatever, it was fun. It was cool to see it happen. I'm gonna go put my cigarette thing back because I don't know why I'm still holding it. Where's the Butt Muncher 4000?
Right here.
Where is it?
It's a Yankee Doodle Butt Muncher 4000.
I don't know, I'm just making up names for it.
Well, I'm just telling you, it's a Yankee Doodle version.
But,
Release.
but I'm not yanking my doodle. Hey, listen, toilet humor is a regular in this family, okay? Get used to it. We are man children until the day we die. Oh, this one actually screeched. Quick, get behind me, I'm fatter. Is that all of them?
That's it. We're done.
That's all the fireworks?
No, there's a couple more little things we have.
Well, we gotta use everything. We gotta use our entire inventory.
There's a Roman candle in here.
Oh, sheesh.
Wait, no, give it to me.
Last Roman candle we gave you pointed at him and me. We almost got.
I'm totally kidding. No, I did the last one.
I
did the last one. Good.
I'll do it.
Yeah, you know what, Jerry? I'll hold the camcorder. One.
All right, fine. Here, take this.
Magic missile.
It was a dud. Oh, never mind.
Why is it not working?
That's probably like... Oh, no.
Was that it?
That's it.
I blew all.
Jerry,
what,
how was that experience for you?
I got shit in my eyes.
It'll land over there.
Wait, how many shots was that one?
5?
Okay, I need to know how many loads I blew. Jeez. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
Oh, fuck, dude, the weight keeps taking me over there.
Oh, but it looks like it already went out though.
See what happens.
Did you see where it landed? Oh, Jesus. Where'd it go?
On the roof here.
Oh, are you kidding me? Did you seriously land on the roof? If it burns down, you owe us a house. Now you gotta do like an episode of Cops where like the cameraman's always pointing down and the cops are running through the alley and you just hear a bunch of commotion and then they run around to the other side. There was actually an episode of Reno 911 that makes fun of it where it's just the cops banging on trash cans with nightsticks. Ah, damn, man.
Ese grandote sigue prendido. De adentro. Échale agua. Hay que echarle agua, está prendido. Uy, pues pobre niña, te digo. Mira, a ver.
Fire's out. All right, we got enough funny footage of that. I'll just take out all the filler.